Not only I'm talking about Carl Vilus, you know what, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I know you love Israel, I know you love United States, I know you love, who is it, Donald Trump or Benjamin Netanyahu. Are you happy when there is a Middle East war? Mark Domingo Cruz, I know this Marcos loyalist wannabe, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. I remember that guy who says about the bad words. I remember the last 2019. What he said before? Team America, World Police, American fuck yeah. That's a word. I do not say bad words. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz. If you're watching this in my YouTube video, um, you need to stop with your bad words over the place. You're always to be a pro-Zionist or pro-US. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz, ha? That's why Tera Francisco explained to me, nagalit si Kuya Dan Mardayo sa'yo. You always to say about, whatsoever, you talk about like that. You know, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I don't want to be happen just like what really happened to me or what really happened to everyone. Or you should never say bad words. Even for what you did to everyone. Oh, even Eliza De La Cruz. You tag her Hezbollah. You tag her Hamas. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz, I had enough about your Zionist negatives. That that I never first met Eliza De La Cruz. The only I know is the friend of Tony Labitag, Chantel Aguja. Oh, she's grown up. Oh, Tony was still in college. Oh, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Let's say bad words like this. First of all, I never meet Eliza De La Cruz. Do you want to be happen just like Paulo Cruzada, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? You know, Mark Cruz, I know Jerick Silva is very angry at you. Even what you're saying, those words are really not nice. Do not say bad words. Like me, I was scolded by Teacher May when I say bad words in Messenger. Was it the word in Tagalog? Oh, putang ina, that's a word. Oh, that was used words from Nino Brasaga, from his bad words. But I repeated many times, but I apologize to Prince Gan. I will never say in Tagalog profanity. But I apologize to him sincerely. But first of all, Mark Domingo Cruz, do not say bad words. Me, I never want to say bad words too. Oh, me, I limit my bad words. Oh, when I criticize Paulo Cruzada, I use my F word, I limit my bad words, I limit my SOB words, I limited my word, asshole word that Paulo Cruzada. Oh, I limited. And you insulting me, what is that word you said before? You call me an asshole? You know, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. When I upload this in my YouTube video, do not say bad words. I know you always to the people out there, they don't really like you. One of your fellow autism, they don't really like you. You know, I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, I'm not saying bad words. First of all, you're always fighting over with the K-pop, you and Juan Carlo Pabale. about K-pop. I was told by Jerick Silva. And you talk about, what is that, I remember, Momoland, Nancy McDonney, Chuchichu, even the Blackpink, Lisa Manoban. The Blackpink, I say again, Mark Domingo Cruz is no longer exists in Blackpink. So Blackpink, I just want to mention, it never exists. They ceased their contract with the K-pop, with the Korean pop girl group. Even the others, Lisa Manoban is focusing in acting film career. She is not. She is no longer a member of Blackpink. But first of all, I just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, that's really a nonsense.